Hello viewers, welcome to MOST online class. MOST Magbe is still here. Today we are discussing molar concentration. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, MOST online class. Follow me on TikTok, MOST online class, and of course on Facebook, MOST online class and MOST Magbe. We are discussing molar concentration and we have a problem. The question says calculate the molar concentration of ethanol in an aqueous solution that contains 2.30 gram of the compound in 3.50 liter solution. We should take carbon to be 12, hydrogen 1, and oxygen 16. Now before the solution, we need to understand the meaning of molar concentration. Molar concentration of a solution of a chemical species is the number of moles of the species that is contained in 1 liter of the solution. The number of moles of the species contained in 1 liter of the solution. Now let's begin our solution right away. Now the question says calculate the molar concentration of ethanol in an aqueous solution that contains 2.30 gram of ethanol in 3.50 liter solution. Now what we need first is to write the chemical formula of ethanol. This is ethanol. Now from the question, the mass of ethanol is 2.30 gram. Now the question says calculate the molar concentration of ethanol in an aqueous solution that contains 2.30 gram of the compound in 3.50 liter solution. So volume of solution is 3.50 liters. Now the next thing is to find the molar mass of ethanol. And how do we find the molar mass of ethanol? You can find the molar mass of ethanol by summing up the molar masses of carbon and that of hydrogen and of course that of oxygen. So let's find the molar mass of ethanol. Now, for carbon, the molar mass of carbon is 12. So, but we have 2 atoms of carbon in ethanol, so we're going to say that 12 times 2. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1. We have 5 atoms of hydrogen, so we're going to say that 5 times 1. Sorry, we have 5 atoms of hydrogen, so we're going to say that 1 times 5. For oxygen, we have 16 hydrogen, we have 1. So let's check it out. 12 times, so that's 24. 1 times 5, that is 5. So 24 plus 5 plus 16 plus 1, that is 46. So the molar mass of ethanol is 46 gram per mole. The next step is to find the number of moles of ethanol. Now how do we find the number of moles? A number of mole from our previous classes, I had established that number of mole is equal to mass divided by the molar mass. So for ethanol, we're going to divide the mass of ethanol, which from the question is 2.30 gram. We're going to divide the mass, which is 2.30 gram, divided by the molar mass of ethanol, which is 46 gram per mole. So 2.30 gram divided by 46 gram per mole, we're going to have 0.05 mole. So that is the number of mole of ethanol, 0.05 mole. But that is not the final answer. The question says we should find the molar concentration of ethanol. We should find the molar concentration, not the number of moles of ethanol. So how do we find the molar concentration of ethanol in this solution? Remember that I had previously defined molar concentration of a chemical species, of a solution of a chemical species, as a number of moles of the species that is contained in 1 liter of the solution. Number of moles of the species contained in 1 liter of the solution. And in this case, we have ethanol. So we're going to divide the number of moles of ethanol by the volume of the solution, and the volume is 3.50 liters. So molar concentration mathematically is expressed as number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution, and it is in liters, or heat equivalent units. Now the number of moles of solute is 0.05 mole. And the volume of solution is 3.50 liters. So if you divide 0.05 mole divided by 3.50 liters, we're going to have 0.0143 mole per liter, because mole is dividing liter. So we have 0.0143 mole per liter, or molar. Another unit for molar concentration is molar, or mole per liter. And that is our final answer, 0.0143 mole per liter, or 0.0143 molar. That is our final answer. If you are interested in this kind of videos, please like and share. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, MST Online Class. Follow me on TikTok, MST Online Class, and of course on Facebook, MST Online Class and MST Kumagbe. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.